Hey everyone, and welcome back to Amazon Insights. The news cycle is absolutely relentless, a non-stop torrent of information that can be tough to navigate. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the stories that are making waves, from unexpected streaming successes to the latest tech deals and key leadership moves. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of what you absolutely need to know. First up, prepare to be amazed by a film that defied all expectations, proving that critical reception isn't always the final word. We're talking about a movie that bombed with critics but soared with audiences, becoming a massive hit on Amazon Prime. How did this happen, and what does it say about the future of film distribution? You won't want to miss this deep dive. Then, we're switching gears to talk about a deal that's got gamers buzzing, a high-performance monitor that saw a surprising price shift. Was it a mistake, a strategy, or just the wild west of online retail? We've got the full breakdown. We'll also be looking at the financial pulse of a tech giant, dissecting analyst signals and market sentiment. Is it a buy, a hold, or a sell? We'll break down the numbers. And finally, a significant leadership elevation within a major player in the Indian market. We're exploring a key promotion that signals big things for growth and strategy. Stick around, because you're about to get the inside scoop on everything that matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Critics hated it, audiences loved it. The Amazon hit that broke the mold. This film defied all odds, achieving massive success on Amazon Prime despite a dismal critical reception. Prepare to be astonished by the story of a film that seemed destined for obscurity, only to become Amazon's most popular feature project for a significant period. Despite a staggering 0% on Rotten Tomatoes at its initial release, this low-budget production, starring familiar faces like Ice Cube, Eva Longoria, and Clark Gregg, not only climbed the charts but remained a top contender for an entire month. This unlikely triumph raises profound questions about the evolving influence of traditional critics in the age of digital streaming. Producer Patrick Aiello himself pointed out that for digitally distributed projects, the traditional critical landscape often seems irrelevant. He questioned the very notion of whether critics still matter in this new paradigm, especially when compared to the power of algorithms that can precisely target and deliver content to specific audience segments. This sentiment echoes sentiments from industry leaders like Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos, who has often prioritized digital releases over traditional theatrical runs, primarily for awards qualification. The decline of traditional media, particularly newspapers, has led to a shrinking pool of professional critics, while the internet has empowered a new generation of opinion leaders, often without formal training, to gather substantial followings. Even in the music world, as noted by The New Yorker, critics have found it harder to maintain a distinct edge, often facing backlash from passionate fan bases of superstar artists like Taylor Swift and Beyoncé. The political landscape has further complicated critical assessments, with discussions around woke versus non-woke projects adding another layer of bias. Yet, amidst this complex environment, War of the Worlds managed to capture audience attention. The film, a modern take on H.G. Wells' classic, features Ice Cube as a cyber defense worker protecting his children during an alien invasion, with Eva Longoria as a NASA scientist and Clark Gregg as the director of Homeland Security. Screenwriters Kenny Gold and Mark Hyman weave in themes of government surveillance and privacy, even incorporating data-consuming invaders that bear a striking resemblance to today's AI language models. While many online commentators piled on, dismissing it as a modest thriller about a protective father, some, like ESPN's Clinton Yates, found unexpected merit, calling it a sweet 90 minutes and a good time. The film's existence is a testament to innovative production, utilizing the ScreenLife film technology developed by Timur Bekmambetov. This approach, combined with the built-in brand recognition of the War of the Worlds title, allowed for a production budget well under $10 million, a stark contrast to Steven Spielberg's $132 million adaptation. The project navigated pandemic-related financing challenges, with a rapid 15-day shoot and 4 major edits to refine its narrative. Ultimately licensed to Amazon, the film benefited from a less crowded release window and a coincidental, albeit subtle, product placement of an Amazon Prime delivery person, which sparked online debate but highlighted the essential role of delivery workers. It's a story that underscores a significant shift. Audience engagement and algorithmic delivery can, and often do, trump critical consensus in the digital realm. But what happens when a highly anticipated tech deal suddenly changes its tune? Next, we're diving into a monitor that's causing a stir with its fluctuating price. Price roller coaster, the Amazon monitor deal that got away for now. Gamers, take note. A heavily discounted Samsung monitor saw its price jump back up, but the deal might not be over yet. For UK gamers eager to snag a top-tier display, the recent fluctuations in the price of the 32-inch Samsung Odyssey monitor on Amazon have been a source of both excitement and frustration. Initially spotted with a substantial £300 discount, the monitor's price was subsequently increased by £100, bringing it to £699.99, still representing a significant £200 saving or a 22% price reduction from its original retail price. However, this price adjustment has sparked speculation about future discounts, particularly with the upcoming Black Friday season. The monitor in question is a high-performance QD OLED display boasting a 4K resolution and an impressive 240 Hz refresh rate, a combination that promises exceptionally smooth gameplay. It also features AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, ensuring tear-free visuals for even the most demanding gaming experiences. Beyond its core gaming capabilities, the monitor also offers a sleek design with subtle RGB lighting on the rear and a stable, flat stand, distinguishing it from some of the more cumbersome designs found elsewhere in the market. The author of the piece, who noted the price change, expressed a degree of disappointment at missing the deeper discount, but emphasized that the monitor remains an excellent purchase at its current price point. However, the rapid price adjustment leads to the strong suggestion that further price drops are likely, especially as retailers gear up for the peak holiday shopping period. This situation highlights a common strategy in online retail, where initial discounts are used to generate buzz and capture early sales, followed by price adjustments that may be influenced by demand, inventory levels, or anticipation of larger promotional events like Black Friday. While the £200 saving is still attractive, the possibility of saving an additional £100 makes waiting a potentially rewarding strategy for budget-conscious consumers. For those who can't wait, the monitor's technical specifications and design make it a worthy investment, promising a premium visual experience for gaming and other applications. The article also serves as a reminder for consumers to stay vigilant with price tracking, as online deals can be as volatile as the stock market. It's a dynamic environment where timing can mean the difference between a good deal and a great one, and the Samsung Odyssey monitor's pricing journey is a prime example of this retail reality. As the holiday season approaches, it will be interesting to see if this high-performance monitor returns to its lowest price point, or if the current £699.99 becomes the standard discounted offering. But how does this consumer tech pricing compare to the broader financial health of a tech giant? Next, we're analyzing the stock market signals for Amazon itself. Amazon's stock analysis, navigating neutrality amidst mixed market signals. Technical indicators suggest a neutral stance for Amazon's stock, while analyst opinions present a varied outlook. The financial landscape for Amazon.com presents a complex picture, characterized by a technical neutrality in its stock performance and a divergence of opinions among market analysts. This duality means that investors are faced with a market environment where neither a strong bullish nor a bearish trend is definitively established, requiring a careful assessment of various indicators and expert forecasts. On the technical front, Amazon stock has been trading within a defined range, indicating a balance between buying and selling pressures. This equilibrium suggests that the market is yet to form a clear consensus on the company's immediate future trajectory. Key technical indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, RSI, often reflect this state of consolidation, where the stock price hovers without a significant upward or downward momentum. Such periods can precede significant price movements, but predicting the direction requires more than just technical analysis. Complementing this technical view, analyst ratings offer a spectrum of perspectives. Some analysts maintain a buy or outperform rating, citing Amazon's continued dominance in e-commerce, its robust cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services (AWS), its growing advertising business, and its investments in new technologies like artificial intelligence and streaming entertainment. They often point to the company's long-term growth potential, its ability to innovate, and its resilient business model that can weather various economic conditions. Conversely, other analysts express caution, with hold or even sell ratings. Their concerns might include the company's substantial operating expenses, increasing competition in its various markets, potential regulatory scrutiny, and the impact of macroeconomic factors such as inflation and interest rate hikes on consumer spending and corporate investment. They may also highlight challenges within specific segments, such as the slowing growth in e-commerce or increased competition in the cloud market. The market data terms of service and privacy statement, to which users must agree to access this information, underscore the importance of data integrity and user consent in financial analysis. This often involves understanding the methodologies behind analyst reports and the data sources used for technical assessments. For investors, this mixed signal environment necessitates a thorough due diligence process. It means looking beyond the headline ratings to understand the underlying reasoning, considering the company's financial reports, competitive positioning, and the broader economic outlook. The advice to continue and agree to terms suggests an ongoing engagement with market data, implying that a static view is insufficient. Amazon's diversified revenue streams, from online retail and subscriptions to cloud services and digital advertising, provide a degree of resilience. However, the sheer scale of its operations also makes it susceptible to a wide range of market forces. Therefore, while technical neutrality might suggest a pause, the divergence in analyst outlooks indicates that the market is actively weighing numerous factors, both positive and negative, in determining Amazon's future valuation. Investors must weigh these conflicting signals carefully to make informed decisions. With the market analyzing the company's financial standing, let's shift focus to internal developments. Next, we explore a significant leadership promotion within Amazon's operations in India. Leadership boost: Anuradha Agarwal takes helm as Director for Amazon India Growth. Anuradha Agarwal, formerly leading user growth and serving as CMO for Amazon Pay, has been elevated to a new director role focused on marketing and growth for Amazon India. In a significant move signaling a strategic focus on the burgeoning Indian market, Anuradha Agarwal has been promoted to the position of director, tasked with spearheading marketing and growth initiatives for Amazon India. This appointment marks a pivotal moment for Agarwal, who brings a wealth of experience from her previous roles within Amazon, including her impactful tenure as Director of User Growth and as the Chief Marketing Officer for Amazon Pay. In a statement reflecting on her new charter, Agarwal expressed her enthusiasm, stating, "Excited to share that I have taken on a new charter to lead marketing and growth for Amazon India. The recent years at Amazon Pay have been an incredible journey of learning and growth. As I step into this new role, I look forward to building on that foundation, working with talented colleagues across Amazon worldwide, and continuing to focus on customer-centered growth." Her career trajectory showcases a consistent progression through various leadership positions within major corporations, highlighting a deep understanding of brand strategy, market expansion, and consumer engagement. Prior to her roles at Amazon, Agarwal honed her skills at industry giants like Hindustan Unilever, where she began as an area sales manager and rose to become a senior brand manager, focusing on innovation. She further developed her expertise in marketing strategy as a category marketing manager for hair care. Her experience also includes a significant stint at Vodafone, where she served as Senior Vice President for Brand Communications, Insights, and Online, overseeing crucial aspects of brand development and digital presence. A notable period in her career was at Mondelez International, where she served as the marketing director for the APAC region, specifically overseeing the biscuits portfolio. In this capacity, she was instrumental in driving the growth of globally recognized brands such as Oreo, Chips Ahoy, and Belvita, leading innovation strategies, new product development, and global brand deployment across key markets in China, India, Australia, South and Southeast Asia. Her background also includes serving as CMO at Marico and holding a leadership role at Star TV Network as cluster head for kids, infotainment, and English channels. This diverse experience across FMCG, telecommunications, media, and e-commerce provides Agarwal with a comprehensive perspective on market dynamics and consumer behavior, particularly within the diverse Indian landscape. Her focus on customer-centered growth aligns with Amazon's overarching strategy, emphasizing the importance of understanding and catering to the specific needs and preferences of Indian consumers. This promotion comes at a time when Amazon continues to invest heavily in India, a key growth market. Recent related news includes Amazon's expansion of its Ashray project, which provides rest centers for delivery partners, and the government's intention to source data from platforms like Amazon and Flipkart for revamping the Consumer Price Index, CPI, in 2026. Additionally, Amazon's advertising strategies on platforms like Prime Video are being closely watched for their potential to redefine over-the-top OTT monetization in India. Agarwal's leadership is expected to play a crucial role in navigating these evolving market conditions and driving Amazon's continued success in India. That wraps up our deep dives for today. But before you go, let's do a quick recap of all the major stories. And that's a wrap on today's Amazon Insights. We saw a film defy critics to become an Amazon hit, a monitor deal that's a gamer's dream with a price twist, a deep dive into Amazon's stock analysis with mixed signals, and a key leadership promotion for Amazon India. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Amazon Insights for more updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. See you next time.